G'day everyone, welcome to Mudabung Aussie. Well, today we're doing a nice simple dessert or slice, great to have with a cup of tea or a coffee, old peppermint slice. Very easy to do, just follow the step-by-step guide and 15-20 minutes you've got a dessert done. So let's go by the step-by-step guide of how to make a peppermint slice. Cheers everyone. G'day everyone, welcome back. Now wasn't it a nice simple dessert? A bit pretty easy enough to be able to get the kids to do it. Just with the biscuit base, I just used a packet of plain biscuits. In Australia we've got milk arrowroot, so we just used those, and there's enough sugar in there so you don't have to add any sugar, and just a bit of butter in there to set it. And the icing mixture, a few drops of green colouring, a few drops of peppermint essence. Be wary though, it is pretty strongly essence, so just put a few drops in, mix it up, taste it to see whether you need to add a bit more. It's always easier to add some, you can never take it out. Okay, and a bit of kefir in there to set it, and same with the chocolate. I've heated that up, a few tablespoons of oil in there so it's not rock hard, so then it's all nice and easy for you to cut up. So here it is here, and just go for the taste test. It's nice. The biscuit base is crisp, not too hard, and same with the chocolate and the icing peppermint. It's not too firm either. You don't want it too rock hard, otherwise it's hard to eat. Just enough peppermint flavouring through there. It's a great little Moorish treat, this one. So just follow the step-by-step guide to the recipe. Can't go wrong. please hit the like and subscribe button. Please leave a comment below, and we'll see you for the next video. Cheers everyone from Motorbang Aussie.